Today, I'm going to be playing some Subway Surfers. Going to be my, of course, trusty new robot. I need to buy a skin, I think. But, which should I get? I get this one because that's the only one I can afford. Or should I save up to get, no, this one. Or this guy. Tell me the cards down below. Or should I save up to get this one? You know what? I'm just gonna buy it. Yeah, okay. You know, I want to be a ninja. A sneaky ninja. No, I don't want to see that. Okay, let's go. Pew! Okay, guys. I go up for a headshot. You can't catch me. Dang it. What? How did that? No! I shall leave. I accidentally died. Oh. Thought there was gonna be a train. But no. Give me that basketball. No. I never got the basketball. There's no music. It's glitchy. Papa, save me. When the police. When the police. Jump! And go! Lasso! And here we go. Scout. Everything, no. I wonder who are my other 2 subscribers. I know one's my friend. He told me. But I don't know who else. Who's the other 2? I think it's another friend, David. That's what he said. He said that he did, but I don't know. What was my last one? I wonder. We go to Randall Pepper Elementary School. Wait, no, never mind. Yellow Rider collab? What? Oh. I see. I got taxi. When no, the mother go bye-bye. Is she there? Yes. Aww. No, I want a skateboard. I want a taxi again. Here we go, taxi. No. How am I not dead? Is she? Oh, now I'm dead. Now I'm dead. Now. Oh. Basketball. I need to do another one. I had to get this one for free. Okay. I don't like this. Don't you dare say it. Sugar Crush. I think so. Yes. Boom. Boom. Go. Get off. No. Get off. Wait. Why? What is supposed to happen? No. What the heck? How did I not go to the side? Where? I don't get it. Yes! Yeah, get the mystery prize. I don't know what it is. Nobody knows. Dun. Bum. Oh no! Jesus Christ. Oh, jeez. I really thought that I was gonna die. Oh, oh yeah. Here I go. Yes. A coin attack. Oh, a coin attack. Oh, 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 whoa. Oh. I gotta get out of here. Yes. What? Yeah, quickly. Quickly. Go back. Huh? Huh? Bouncy shoes. Can I jump? No, I can't. Scary little thing. Good time. I only got bouncy shoes. That was good. Ah. Go. I don't want to die. Oh. No, keep on going. Keep on going. Come on. Keep on going. Okay. No. 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 Ah! Oh. Hurry, come on. Come on. Give me a see. Oh, no, never mind. I don't need it. Okay, now I do. If I get hit like one of this, come on, yes. No. Skateboard. Oh. To a specs. What place am I at now? Oh. I wanted to bring silver. No more bronze. Oh no, I forgot. I did the video. Maybe after this run. Maybe. We do not know. Look at all no. Oh my god. Look guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Hope you guys like the video. Turn on notifications and subscribe. Make sure to show your friends too. Hope you guys had an amazing day. Peace out. Window.